Hello students, welcome back to our classroom. We are going to discuss the last part of the last chapter. I hope you all watched the previous videos. In the last class, we discussed mitosis division and cytoplasmic division which take place in the plants and animals. So, let's learn the rest of the lesson. Characteristics of mitosis. The daughter cells formed as a result of cell division grow and divide further. At each division, the cell divides after the duplication of genetic material. Hence, there will not be any change in the chromosome number even if the cell divides several times, and this is the characteristics of mitosis. Our next topic is about cancer. Uncontrolled division of cells leads to a condition called cancer. Different stages of growth are zygote, embryo, fetus, newborn, childhood, adolescence, adult and old age. Students, now let's discuss the physical peculiarities of old age. Rate of cell division decreases. Availability of oxygen to cells decreases. Deterioration of cells increases. Muscles shrink. Production of energy decreases. Efficiency of sense organs decreases. Students, observe the figure carefully. Isn't the student's doubt genuine? Is the growth of a tree and that of a human being same? Now let's discuss the difference between the growth in plants and animals. Animals grow only up to a certain stage, whereas the plants grow throughout their life. Animals do not have particular growth cells, whereas the plants have meristematic cells for their growth. Plants grow due to the rapid division and differentiation of meristematic cells. Plants can grow throughout their lives due to the presence of meristematic cells. Now, let's discuss different kinds of meristematic cells in plants. In plants, meristems are classified into apical meristem, lateral meristem, and intercalary meristem. First one, apical meristem. Apical meristem helps to increase the length of root and stem. Lateral meristem helps to increase the girth of stem and root, which is seen only in the dicot plants. Last one is the intercalary meristem. It helps to increase the length of stem, and it is seen above the nodes of the monocot plants. Students, this indicator question is very important. Write it in your notebook. Now, let's discuss how division takes place in amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism, and here mitosis division takes place. First step is the nuclear division, followed by cytoplasmic division. From one mother cell, two daughter cells are formed. And these daughter cells again grow and divide. Students, with diagram, explain this process in your notebook. Growth division is called mitosis. Reproductive division is called meiosis. Now let's learn how meiosis division takes place. Meiosis is a mode of cell division in which gametes are formed. Meiosis occurs in the germinal cells of the reproductive organs. Germinal cells in the humans have 46 chromosomes and they divide twice continuously. These divisions in meiosis are known as meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 respectively. In meiosis 1, the chromosome number becomes half. As a result, from one parent cell, two daughter cells each having 23 chromosomes are formed. In meiosis second, each daughter cell again divides. Meiosis second is similar to mitosis. In meiosis second, the chromosome number does not change. In males, after meiosis, 4 sperms having 23 chromosomes are formed from a single germinal cells. But in females, only a single ovum is formed from one germinal cells and other ovum get destroyed, and that destroyed cells are called polar bodies. Students, division of meiosis is very important. Write these questions in your notebook and learn it well. Our next topic is a comparison between mitosis and meiosis. In mitosis, the chromosome number is 46 and for meiosis, it becomes half, which means 23. The number of daughter cells present in mitosis is 2 and for meiosis, for male, 4 sperms are produced and for female, 1 ovum is produced. Importance of mitosis is it makes repair of tissues and growth of the body, and for meiosis, the chromosome number is maintained constant even after generations. Students, we completed our chapter. Watch the video carefully. Complete your notes. Thank you.